This is one of the question given from theory of computation subject from the topic grammars. Grammar we can consider as a common topic from theory of computation and compiler design subjects. So, there is a general question from grammar. So, the question is, he has given a grammar, 3 production grammar. Based on the strings generated by this grammar, which of these statements, which of these options are true? Which of these are true? That to MSQ more than one option can be true here, right. So, in order to solve this question, we can go by elimination method. Let us try to generate the strings produced by this grammar. Based on those, we will try to identify which is a suitable option for this question. So, let us try to generate the strings from this grammar. Strings possible to generate from this grammar, the minimum string is C. Directly we can produce C here. Then from this first production, if I replace C, AC is generated. From these places, if I replace C, AC, BC, and so on. This will generate infinite number of strings, will generate 2 or 3 strings. Then we can try to eliminate the options. Elimination of options is our main thing, right. Let us observe the first one, first option. What is the first option he is saying here? Number of C's is equal to number of B's multiplied with 2. How many C's in your string, if you want to know, number of B's multiplied with B, you do it. That is what the meaning. So, let us try to analyze this from the first string. From the first string, how many number of C's are, how many number of B's are there? Number of B's are 0, number of A's are 0. Number of A is 0, number of B is 0, number of C's are 1. So, number of B's value multiplied with 2 if I do, I have to get number of C's. That is what the meaning of first option. Is it true? Let us verify. Number of B's value is 0. 0 multiplied with 2, if I get, that is 0. So, how many C's are there actually? There is one C. So, 0 multiplied with 2, I have to get 1. That is not possible. So, this is clearly false option. What is our required thing? We want true options. This is clearly a false one. Next, let us go and see number of A's greater than number of B's in every place. So, here in the same example, how many number of B's are there? 0. How many number of A's are there? 0. Number of A's and number of B's equal also there. So, but he is saying always in every string number of A's greater than number of B's. So, clearly this is also false. Now, come to the third one, number of A's greater than number of C's minus 2. Right. So, take any example with the same example. What is the number of C's here? Number of C's minus 2 if we do, number of C's is 1, 1 minus 2. So, that is a minus 1 greater than 0. Yes, 0 is greater than minus 1, true. Take from here. Number of A's and C's. Number of C's minus 2. Number of C's is 1 here, the same way. That is a minus 1 which is greater than number of A's, that is 1. Yes, 1 is a greater than minus 1. So, it seems it is generate so many strings and verify. Here also number of, from here if you observe, from here if you observe, number of C is 2, 2 minus 2, 0 greater than actual number of is 1. Yes, 1 greater than 0. So, this is seems to be satisfies. This is a true one. Then come to the last one. Number of C's equal to number of B's plus 1. Number of B's plus 1 if you do, we have to get number of C's. Check for the first string. Number of B's 0 plus 1, that is 1, equal to number of C's. Yes. Come to the second one. Number of B's 0 plus 1, number of C's 1C, that is also. Come to this. Number of bees 1 plus 1 2, that is number of C's. So this is also seems to be satisfying here. So this is MSQ question, more than one option can be correct. So C and D are the right answers for this grammar.